You need to do only one thing if you really want to send a message to a person on which you receive the message that you can't message this person unless they follow you. And that thing that you have to do is you must keep watching this entire video till the end without skipping a single second, because if you skip, this is not gonna work. You'll not have any right to complain at the end if this video didn't work if you skip in between, but I guarantee you that if you watch the entire video till the end without skipping a single second, you'll be able to send the message to that person that is in your hard list. So there is only a total of 4 steps, so just hang on with me. So first of all, just go to the profile of the person that you want to send the message to. For example, if I tap on this send message button for this person, here you can see the notification, you can't message this account until they follow you. So let's send a message now. For that purpose, you have to go to his profile, and as I told you that there is a total of 4 steps, 2 of them belong to this page. The first step is you have to remember the username of this person. And the second step is you have to take a screenshot of the profile of this person. Now 2 steps have been done. Why they were mandatory, you will just get to know in a minute. And now moving towards the third step, you have to go to your your profile button, and after that you have to tap on this hamburger icon available at the top right corner of the screen. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, the process is absolutely the same on both of the devices. Now after going into those 3 lines, you have to scroll down and scroll more to the end. And when you scroll down to the end, here under more info and support, you get an option help. So you gotta tap on help. And after that, the first option in this list is report a problem, and tap on report problem without shaking. And from this page, you have to go with the second option, which is don't include and continue. Now, the third step will be performed on this page. You have to write exactly the same thing I'm writing. So you have to write here, hi Instagram team, I have been using your application since 4 years. You can write the duration you have been using Instagram for. For example, you can write 2 years or 3 years or anything. There is a person on Instagram to whom I want to send a message, and he is my very close friend in real life. He has set the privacy, and because of that, I am not able to send her a message. Kindly open her profile for me so I can easily talk to my close friend. Her username is, and here you have to type in the username which I had asked you to remember. That was the reason I had asked you to remember it. And there you go, this was his username. And next you have to write, I'll be waiting for your favorable response. Now for completing the third step, you have to tap on the send button available at the top right corner of the screen. Now 3 steps would have been done after sending this report. Now the last and final step is you have to go to that person's profile again and tap on this follow button available on this profile. Now for increasing the speed of this process, if he accepts your follow request, you'll be able to send unlimited messages to this person even before Instagram responds. So this was just a prank. Send it to your friends and see if they fall for it too.